This is the thing I've missed the most.
Good morning. My name is Katinka. I'm the seamstress at the cottage, and welcome back. Over here, I speak about sewing, knitting, and just general life updates. And for the last year, I have been traveling and visiting different continents for basically 3 to 6 months at a time. And at the moment, I'm in South Africa. I'm living in an off-the-grid cottage on friends of mine's farm, and I am having a ball. So let's catch up on what I've been busy with. I have been enjoying walking on this farm, especially early in the mornings when I go down the hill or down the mountain, as I like to call it, to catch a lift to go to Pilates in the morning. And it has been so much fun to do Pilates. The other morning I was walking down and the animals were just so beautiful. And there was this blessed buck who just had no intention of moving. I'll now insert some footage of that, and I hope you enjoy that part.
It's such an early morning. I'm on my way down the mountain because I'm going to Pilates. And I'm walking this morning because last night I was visiting with my friends and Buttercup stayed behind. It's just after 6 a.m. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That's the black wildebeest. There's one. It's not very clear. There they are. Down there's the blesbok. Times like this, I wish I had a better camera. That's quite a big group of black wildebeest. That blesbok's not moving. It's saying, that's my spot. Let's see if... I need to go past him though. I hope he goes. But apparently they're quite lazy. When they find a spot, they like to stand there. I need you to move, Mr. Blesbok. You make me nervous. Yep, that's your poop spot. So, wild animals, even though they look cute, are wild. I know, you need to move. Go. Go. Thank you. So you can see here, they most likely stand here at night because look at all the fresh poop. Is this your toilet? We now have a standoff. He's not moving and I'm just standing still because I don't want to mess with those horns. Move. Die son kom op. Oh. More blesbok. Signs of autumn. Doesn't feel like autumn, but apparently it's cold according to my family.
I have also unpacked something. I'm putting the footage in now.
I took these parts off and I packed them safely, so I just need to screw it all back. I left the original screws in here because then it's easier to get, and I now just need to screw this back on. So it goes like this. I have been spinning since I was 19 and I loved it from the first moment that I did it. It has really been one of those things that's kept me going through my life. And my spin wheel is not the best. I never bothered to learn all the terms that you need to know, but I love spinning. And whenever I feel stressed or overwhelmed, I turn back to my spinning wheel. I love the rhythm that it makes when you spin, and just the tactile experience with the wool. I might have to replace this thing. I think it's called a flywheel, but I'll see. It's still working. So there is a little piece missing over there and there's a thing over there, but that doesn't bother me. It's working and that's all that matters. And I need to process some wool so I can start spinning again. I can truly say this is the thing I've been looking forward to the most of all the things. It's my spinning wheel. So this knob fits over on this side, and then you pull I just have fishing line through there, and it goes over this part of the wheel, and then you have an elastic, but this was a hair elastic from when I still had hair, so that's yonks of hair, and you need to put an elastic to help with the tension that hooks over here, and then you twist this one to work with your tension, and you just play with it until you're happy, because you don't want it to be too tight over there, because then this doesn't turn as much as it should and it affects the tension of your yarn.
And I'm really so happy to be reunited with my spinning wheel. As I say in that little clip, spinning is my therapy. It really just warms my heart. And when I'm stressed or overwhelmed or any of those things, I love sitting down and spinning. Another thing that has been quite overwhelming this week is I ended up with a major eye infection. And then from there, I got a lung infection. And so I have not been a happy camper. Today I'm starting to feel a little bit better. I have some medicine in my system, so I'm not coughing and spitting and doing all the things that you do when you feel sick. And I'm not running a temperature, so I'm very happy. But that meant that there was not a lot of sewing. I also have a job in the mornings, which I do online, and so I have to get my work done before I can do anything else. Another thing is I've ordered some sewing machines, or my sister has ordered some sewing machines, and we're waiting for them to arrive, because the ones that I was going to work on, they need services, and they're actually not really strong enough for the amount of work I need to do. So I've decided, instead of making a winter range, I'm actually going to wait until after my sister's wedding, and then I'm going to put together a summer range, because the fabrics are interchangeable. So that part is going to wait a little bit. I really appreciate you spending time here with me. It's always so nice to just catch up. And my question this week is, are you a mountain person or a sea person? Or do you like to be next to a lake? What is the place that you like to go to where you really feel like you come alive? For me, I love the sea and I love mountains. I would really like to hear what you like. And then also, if you go to those types of places, do you take any sewing or knitting along? I sometimes love doing hand sewing. I don't know about you. Or do you just like to read and to relax? I would really like to hear what you are up to when you take a break from life. I am now going to leave you, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, I would love it if you subscribe. This little community is really growing nicely over here, and it's so nice to hear each of you, how you think and what you do and what you're up to. And I really appreciate all of you. On that note, I'm going to say goodbye. It is beautiful outside, and I think I want to go and catch a bit of vitamin D before I get editing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.
Just a quick pop in from editing me. This is what makes it possible for me to edit. I got it this week. It's a little power pack, and you're supposed to be able to charge it with sun power. I didn't buy the sun panels. My sister said she wanted to buy it over from me, and so she will get it when she needs it. I'm just going to use it like this for now. And it's supposed to be able to charge your computer 10 times. Let's see if it does. I only got it yesterday. And yes, it's the reason why I can sit here and edit today, and I don't have to go down the mountain. And that's just a quick note. I know I say I'm off the grid here. I am totally off the grid, but I'm not setting up home forever. I would have done things quite differently. I'm just staying here for the few months that I'm in South Africa, and it's working for now. Oh yes, it's not sponsored. I bought it with my own money because I needed power up here. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.